Here is what I figured out, which I kind of suspected in one way or another. I just had to spend enough time with my Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to make sure that I manage your expectations. There are many different factors that do play a role when it comes to battery life, including usage, apps used, and so on. One major change that comes with the Galaxy Watch 6 and Classic seems to make a huge difference for now, but let me explain. What I don't need to explain is how awesome our community is, and if you have any issues with your device or want to share anything, why not consider subscribing? And while you're here, why not liking the video? Thank you so much. At first, I was surprised how well the Galaxy Watch 6 battery life is, especially when I did a dedicated battery life test, which turned out to be on par with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Now, more than 1 week in, I started to wonder why the gap between both devices is getting bigger. And by gap, I mean the battery life in general for both devices. It is like both devices were on one level when I started, and then one really took off and the other one went down. Of course, I had to investigate this, including a dedicated research to make sure it's not just me. When going into the wearable app to check my battery life and usage over time, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro had a pretty solid standing all along. Here you can see with 84% battery life left, we still have well over 3 days left. Bearing in mind I'm already 13 hours in since full charge, and that is pretty good. Checking the app usage though and background activity, that's also good with me. When I did this for the Galaxy Watch 6, the results are very different. You know what? I think I figured out why. You can see right here with 72% remaining, we only have around 21 hours of battery life left. Bearing in mind my usage since full charge was around 10.5 hours, and that is roughly 1.5 days of battery life for the Galaxy Watch 6 and 4.5 days for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and that is a massive difference. Looking at the app usage, there was a lot of background activity for the 6 that I was unable to turn off. One thing that stood out was the Google Play services, and that took most of the juice. Well, after researching, it became apparent that other Galaxy Watch 6 users have an even bigger problem with that. Right now, it seems that this is connected to Wear OS 4. Some users have suggested to restart your watch to fix the issue. It worked for some, but not for all. Others have mentioned that this maybe get better over time, but I will keep monitoring my battery usage, and of course I will let you guys know what the outcome is. Thank you for watching. Peace out.